Namaste, I'm Shanti. Hi, my name is Lorna, I'm a yogini guide, and today for Coed Lleol Small Woods I'm going to be bringing you a lovely 10-minute session of yoga. Yoga is lovely for finding your centre, your balance, and coupling it in nature allows you to ground and really earth into the present moment. So I invite you to pop into something nice and comfy, meet me on the mat, and let's go through this to find where your centre lies today. Carry on. I hope you're into something comfy. Let's make a start. So meet me at the very top end of your mat. Feet are facing towards the front very gently. Inhale in as you begin to connect, lifting through the knees, belly buttons in, shoulders back. And in this pose, Tadasana, feel the connection into being a mountain. Your foundation is nice and strong. The energy journeying up as you root to rise. Energy down through the back as you earth and ground into the moment. Bending through the knees slowly. Palms are going to go out in front. Really feel this lengthening through the side body as your palms reach up. And then Uttanasana, full fold. Bend the knees, belly to the thighs, heart to the earth. Breathe out. As you breathe in next, we're going to halfway lift, so slide the hands to the front of the thighs. You can bend the knees here if you wish, take the pressure off the hamstrings. Shoulders are away from the ears and just try to find a nice integral spine. As you breathe out, softening, bowing, bending the knees generously, planting your palms. We're going to step it back, right foot then left foot, and make our way into downward facing dog. Begin anchoring down through each of your heels, alternating between each one. Heart space is pressing back towards your thighs and feeling this beautiful energy here. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Press your shoulders towards your ears, super elongating through the spine. Moving through into plank pose. Gently come up onto the tippy toes. Catch a wave as you make your way through the wave of the spine. Shoulders landing over the wrists. Dropping down to the knees ever so gently, flattening off the shins and floating down, hips, chest, chin. Lift, gaze forward, shoulders down, engaging through your glutes, support your lower back. And then as you breathe out with yama, with control, lower down gently. Pressing the earth away, gently lifting the bottom up, back towards the heels, palms stay nice and anchored into the earth, and crown journeys down to the ground. Here in your balasana, in your child's pose, find some connection as you breathe in and release through the breath as you breathe out. Pressing into the fingerprints as you inhale, gently curling, waving through the spine, shoulders landing over the wrists. Tuck your toes, lift your hips, downward facing dog. Here again, connecting into the grounding sensation. Pressing into each heel and pressing your heart space back toward your thighs. Gently bending through the knees, carving a line with the nose, venturing the gaze towards the top of your mat, and then tippy-toeing, catwalk your feet as many steps as it takes to land behind the wrists or by the wrists again, back into your full fold. Bend through the knees, palms go out in front, pressing into the earth as you root to rise, bring it up. And then right fingertips are going to go forward, left fingertips are going to go back. If you find that this left arm is very difficult to get back with the hip pressing forward, release the arm out to the side so you're keeping the hips nice and safe. Bending through the knees, scoop the earth's energy as both palms reach for the sky, opening gently to the other side. And again, taking an awareness into this right shoulder. If with the hip forward is a little bit difficult, bring it out to the side. Always follow the feedback, wherever your body's telling you, honor that sensation within. Bending through the knees, both palms to the sky, breathe in. Exhale, back down, Uttanasana, full fold, hips to the sky. Inhale, halfway lift, transition with the palms onto the front of the thighs, elbows hug in, spine nice and strong, tailbone to the back, crown to the front, back of the neck is nice and long. And then breathing out slowly, softly, gently, planting through your palms, step it back, left foot, right foot, downward facing dog. Here, honouring that triangle shape with your body, pressing into the heels, relaxing gently the heart space back towards your thighs, elongating the spine by pressing the shoulders to your ears, and then moving through to plank. As you breathe in, come up onto the tippy toes, find that gentle roll. Shoulders are over the wrists, lifting up out to the earth. Find your connection firming through the front of the thighs, and then take it down to the knees, flatten off the shins, floating down, hips, chest, chin. Lift, press the earth away, belly's down but heart is forward, shoulders are away from the ears. As you breathe out, lower gently and breathe out. way, lift up, bottom back towards the heels, moving gently, child's pose, release. Take a deep breath in and relax through your heart space, breathe it out. Moving back into downward facing dog. So setting it up, have a little look at the hands first if you need to, just to make sure the arms are nice and long out in front. Index fingers are forward and fingerprints are down. Get into the earth. Here we go. As you inhale, begin to create that gentle wave through the spine, shoulders over the wrists. Tuck the toes, lift your hips, back up into your downward facing dog. Pedaling through your heels. And then bending both knees, carve a line with the nose, venture the gaze forward. And then left foot, right foot, catwalk your way up towards your hands, landing gently back at the very top. Uttanasana, full fold. Bend through the knees, palms go out in front, root to rise. Left fingertips forward, right fingertips go back. Energy here again, honouring the shoulders, pressing the right hip forward and releasing the right arm out to the side. If you feel that you begin to move into the knees and into the hips. Bend through the knees, palms reach towards your sky, and then exhale gently, taking back your left palm, right palms out in front. Again, listening and following the feedback so the energy within you is showing you to go where you flow. Bend through the knees, palms go out in front, reach up. Bring your hands down to your heart space, your Anahata, Anjali Mudra, and relax it out. Lovely. So yoga is beyond poses. So let's take it just that little bit further. Meet me on the earth in a gentle Sukhasana, a cross-legged seated position. Tailbone is into the earth, belly button is in, shoulders are released away from the ears, nice integrity through the spine. And here, take the hands onto the front of the knees just to help lift through the front body and allow you to feel the energy as you release down towards the earth, creating that grounding sensation once again. Softening your gaze, or if it's accessible for you today, to close your eyes. Allow yourself to begin noticing your breath, how it feels just to breathe in, and with a loving kindness just to breathe out. Tuning into your senses in a mindful moment to just notice the sounds that venture in through the right ear and the left. The gentle kaleidoscope of shapes in front of your eyes. How cool your breath feels as you breathe in, and how warm it feels as you breathe out. The tongue resting gently in your mouth and your foundation from which you rise. Allow yourself the energy here to just focus. Move from human doing to human being. Being right here, right now, at this moment in time. We close today's gentle practice with 3 chants of Ong Namo Guru Dev Namo. Bowing to the divine teacher within and without. Take a deep breath in and exhale through the mouth. Ong Namo Guru Dev Namo. Ong Namo Guru Dev Namo. Ong Namo Guru Dev Namo. Gently bat open your eyelashes, connect into your gaze, and bring your hands to Heart Namaste, Anjali Mudra. Thank you very much for joining me today. May you move with peace, love and ease wherever you go, and remember that wherever you are, to peacefully be all there. Om Shanti. Hari Om. And there we go, just a quick relaxing session for you to be able to just work your body, whether you speed it up or slow it down. Yoga is all about how it translates to you. I hope you had a little bit of fun and connecting in with the breath. If you'd like to subscribe to the Coed Lleol Small Woods page, you can hit subscribe and just allow yourself to immerse in some more nature-based videos to be able to create a little bit more peace and a little bit of activity in your world. Thank you very much for meeting me today on the mat. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did sharing the love of yoga with you. Om Shanti.